Hi, this is Deborah Clutter. I want to show you what I made today. So I made this box and it is 3D printed, and I needed a box to put all my Gammill parts in. And here's the inside of the box. It has little compartments for all my things that I need for my Gammill. An extra check spring. I'm not really sure what this is for. Some switches, a bobbin or check spring tension disc parts. Anyway, it has all the little parts I bought, and I had them in another box, and I got tired of that one, so I made this one. And the filament I made this box out of is supposed to look like it's granite or something, and I think it looks really good. And I put some text on it, and I think it worked out really good. Thanks.